Solidworks PCB is a complete solution for your PCB design needs, with a unified design environment that seamlessly ties your entire design workflow together. A streamlined design environment keeps your schematic capture and PCB layout under the same unified interface, making it easy to switch between different sides of your design without derailing your thought process. Plus, an easy-to-use interface allows you to quickly find those features you use on a daily basis by putting them front and center in the Solidworks PCB interface. When it's time to move from schematic capture to board layout, you can review all of your changes and sync them instantly between design environments with an engineering change order process. All of your design intent from your schematic capture process is instantly updated to your board layout, allowing you to work on your physical design as quickly as possible.